Dysarthria, spastic dysarthria. This you see in bilateral human disease. Spastic dysarthria, the tongue is small and spastic. Speech is slurred, specifically B, P, D, T is affected. The patient talks from the back of the throat. The voice is totally different. Jaw jerk and palatopharyngeal reflexes are exaggerated. This condition is pseudobulbar palsy. M&D is a very important topic in neurology. If it is M&D has various variants. There is a pure upper motor and lower motor mixed. Pure lower motor, we can start with primary lateral sclerosis, spastic bulbar palsy, then pseudobulbar palsy. So, variant of M&D, bulbar palsy and pseudobulbar palsy. M&D usually has both upper motor neuron and lower motor neuron. This is classically seen in a pseudobulbar palsy, that is M&D variant. Rigid dysarthria. We discussed spastic dysarthria. This is rigid. What it is? It is an extrapyramidal lesion. Rigidity of tongue. No wasting. There it will be thin and spastic. Speech is monotonous. Bradylalia. We discussed what is bradylalia is slow speech. Word runs into one another. Sentences are short and stop abruptly. Classically seen in Parkinson. That is why I told you all speech disorders are not aphasia. It could be extrapyramidal and cerebellum or lower cranial palsy. What is ataxic dysarthria? Incoordination of muscles of speech, including respiratory muscles. What happens? This is classically seen in a cerebellar disease, ataxic dysarthria. Speech is irregular, slurred and like a drunken speech. Sometimes too loud or soft. Words run into each other or are spaced too far. Rhythm is jerky, sometimes explosive, sometimes scanning. Explosive is sudden, scanning is separate syllables are there is a classic description, Krishnamachari. Krishnamachari, that is scanning speech. Explosive is Krishna sir. The words are clubbed, the letters are clubbed, run into each other or either spaced too far. Too far is scanning, explosive is words are clubbed, letters are clubbed. Very classically is seen in a